Today's house was built on a hillside dotted with native oak and pine trees and characterized by spectacular rock formations. The site ends in a natural ravine bordering the Adonis Valley and offers unobstructed views of Mount Lebanon to the east and the Mediterranean Sea to the west. Following the natural slope of the land, the stunning Fatre House unfolds across 3 staggered levels, each with terraces oriented in different directions. Located in Fatre, a village in the Jebel district of Lebanon, this contemporary residence was designed by Boulos Douaihy of the architecture firm Platau to offer a lifestyle of total transparency, away from prying eyes and fully integrated into the landscape, with its structure weaving between rocks and trees. Circulation moves transversely through these levels, revealing phenomenological moments of the house in a rhythmic downward journey. The staircase connects the reception area to the bedroom level, cutting through rock formations inside a glazed box. Further steps lead from the lower level to the pool, and then down again to the pool house. The peripheral parts of the house blend into the terrain, with low volumes that house the kitchen, bedrooms, and pool area. Clad with stones extracted during the site's excavation, these volumes follow the existing topography, merging in materiality and form with the landscape of terraces and rock formations. The entrance is on the uppermost level, opening to a spacious social area in white concrete, with high ceilings and views toward the sea. The interplay of volumes, levels, and materials creates diverse ways of inhabiting the space between architecture and landscape, and a rich variety of spatial atmospheres that celebrate the spirit of the place. The glazed staircase leads to the middle level, where the bedrooms and an informal living area are located. This central spine descends the slope and reaches out toward the view through large glass facades. The generous interiors are highlighted by high ceilings. The living areas, fully oriented to the outside, extend into terraces that make this cozy retreat an idyllic place to disconnect. The lower level contains the pool, nestled among rock formations, with the pool area and technical spaces located just underneath.